Okay, hey, I'm back. This might be the part 3. All right, so I'm working on this part of the light to see where I'm going to drill the holes, and I have measured this guy, and it's 7.72. Now there is a lip right here. There's a lip right here, so I kind of gave it a little bit more leeway in there. Okay, so there's a lip, because you know, if you measure from here to there, that's 7.2. You're probably need to go another millimeter down because of the, or possibly 1.5 millimeters of this lip up here. Okay, I know it's kind of hard to see, but there's definitely a lip right in there. All right. Anyway, so I figured that I had drilled up to a 1/4 inch hole up here. All right, so I took this, measured it with my veneer caliper, and the diameter in millimeters of a 1/4 inch drill bit is 6.3 millimeters. So half of that is 315, right? Because half of 30 is 15, half of 6 is 3. So I added this to this up here. Okay, and that puts me like right here. Okay, more or less, you know, what's going to happen, because there's threads there, when I go to make, you know, this indentation, it's going to, you know, it's going to have to get into one of the valleys of the threads. All right, so I'm going to try and do it, you know, there and maybe here, you know, depending where the thread, and when I drill the holes, you know, hopefully I don't ruin the switch. All right, so that's where I'm at. Again, this is what they call a center punch. So we can do one right now. I know we've done another one, but let's do this one right here. So I'm going to do this one right here. Okay. Might as well just do all of them. And now I'll do this one right here. And I'll do this one right here. Yep, I think they're all done now. Whoa! And that one was not done. Okay. I was at a bad angle on that one. Okay, now you see, I don't know if you notice, the battery starting to come undone from in there. Okay, so now it's just drilling the holes, okay, and hope that I don't ruin any of this stuff. All right, be back. Okay, so when you're drilling the back end, the tail cap, and you're drilling holes, you got to be real careful not to drill all the way through. So I'm starting off with I believe a 7/64. So here goes nothing. Okay, so I'm getting some white stuff out, so that means that I'm hitting the battery acid stuff. So now I'm going to go to the next one. Now this gets hot, so you got to be careful. All right, I'm going to go dump this out in the trash can. Next one. Whoop. All right, let's go to the next one. Let me go dump this out. Definitely hitting something there. More of the battery. So all the white stuff you're seeing is the actual corrosion that is from the acid eating away at the aluminum and stuff. All right, okay, I'm gonna continue doing this off camera. Be back. Okay, so now what I've done, I've drilled all the holes. I kind of messed up over here on the back, on the tail end. I kind of drilled in the wrong hole and drilled through the threads, but that's all right. So I'm gonna go to the next two highest, twice the diameter of this guy, and then just keep widening the hole. So let me see what I got here. That's going to be this guy right here. There it is. It's through pretty easy. Okay, now I'll go to the next one. Just keep going. All right, I'll do this off camera. All right, so now what I'm going to do, or attempt to do, is take one of these picks and start over at the trash can. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to try and start to remove, because I can see the end of the battery. As a matter of fact, I don't know if you can see there, I've already started to remove it. Right there. Yeah. All right, let me go do that at the trash can, okay? Be back. Okay, I'm at the point where I'm going to have to soak this some more, but I've managed to get the battery and stuff loose from up here, up at the top. The only problem is that the negative part of the little negative connection up here, it broke. I do have the part here. I don't know if I bring it up in my finger, but there it is. So unfortunately you got to order the whole switch, which is like, I don't know, $4, but I'm gonna have to soak it because back down here by the tail cap, there's still a lot of the acid that's there, and I've scratched it out with with my pick, but it's really stubborn in there, and I'm just gonna have to soak it in acid. So all right, I'll come back later. All right, see ya.